Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the basics work. Verify your Roku model supports the Apple TV app. Once done, sign into your Apple ID, use the correct email and have two-factor ready. This prevents activation delays. Make sure Roku and your iPhone, iPad, or Mac are on the same Wi-Fi network because network mismatch blocks the app and AirPlay discovery. Then, open the Roku home screen and prepare to add channels. This first step lets the device register with Apple services and accept your credentials. Now install and activate the Apple TV app on Roku. Go to the channel store, find Apple TV, and add the channel. Installation is usually a 1-minute step. When you launch the app, select Sign In. The TV displays an activation code. Use your phone or computer to visit the activation prompt and enter that code with your Apple ID. This links Roku to your Apple account. Once activated, the app fetches your purchases, subscriptions like Apple TV Plus, so you can browse and play. Finish by selecting a title and pressing play. The Apple TV app streams directly through Roku, so you control playback with your Roku remote. If video stalls or buffer icons persist, restart the Roku device and verify strong Wi-Fi. Rebooting clears temporary network or app state. If activation or sign-in fails, confirm your Apple ID works elsewhere and that no VPN or custom DNS is blocking Apple services. One key troubleshooting tip: restart both the Roku and your Wi-Fi router. That resolves most connection and activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.